Okay, one of my other little self-induced jobs here at the shop is mask cleaning. For quite a while I worked at Fisher Scientific rebuilding and repairing SCBA packs like the fireman wears into the fire. We had hazmat teams that would go into chemical buildings. I would fix all those packs. Also part of that was fitting a mask to somebody who wears a mask at their job every day. OSHA says you must have a test once a year, and I would use the porta count machine to count particles, porta count, and for various motions, see if there was any leakage. That's why I tell everybody here with a beard, that's no good. You cannot have anything in a sealing surface, but anyway. So this is one of the full face, of course, masks that Nick just handed me, and these get filthy so fast just from all the dusty, nasty work we do here. I'm gonna disassemble this thing, clean it up for him, make it like new. So if you have some sort of mask that you wear all the time, please take it apart, clean it with warm soapy water. I just use Dawn and a couple of the brown towels out of the restroom. They have enough friction to them to work pretty well. Don't use anything crazy chemical wise. You can use one of those alcohol wipes too if you just want to clean the silicone sealing surface. But I like to disassemble the thing the whole way. Warm soapy water, get it cleaned up good, and it smells better too. So that's something else you should do on your masks while you're grinding. Okay, Scooter here, man, on the inside. See you later.